Here's what $4.5 million buys you in the heart of Chianti. A beautifully restored estate, surrounded by rolling vineyards, olive groves, and those soft golden hills that define this region. It's an idyllic blend of privacy, heritage, and refined Tuscan living. The main residence spans more than 500 square meters across 3 elegant levels. On the ground floor, you'll find a peaceful bedroom opening to the garden, along with a generous spa-style bathroom finished in marble and travertine, plus a classic wine cellar that feels perfectly at home in Chianti. Upstairs, the living space is open into warm, sunlit rooms, a timeless kitchen, a welcoming dining area, and 2 bedrooms, including one with its own ensuite. The top floor is a private retreat, a single open room used as a study with views stretching over the vineyards. A separate guest cottage includes its own kitchenette, dining space, bedroom, and bathroom, ideal for hosting friends and family. Outside, a covered portico captures some of the most beautiful views on the property, and beside the 12-meter pool, the estate's spa pavilion offers a jacuzzi, sauna, Turkish bath, and changing room, your own private wellness retreat. Set across more than 12 hectares with woodland, gardens, vineyards, and olive trees, this estate delivers the very best of Chianti.